Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I just want to shout out this amazing Aromatherapy Diffuser Bracelet. You guys, these are such a cool concept and they make a beautiful, amazing gift. This set comes with several essential oils with it, but I suggest you can use any of your own that you have at home or shop around on Amazon for other ones, your favorite scents. I really recommend lavender, especially. That's just one that I think is really calming and really great to use if you're having a little bit of anxiety and you just need to calm down. I love being able to take a quick whiff of that and just really relax. This is a beautiful product, but it's also really functional. The diffuser part is stainless steel, so even though you're putting oil in there, it's not gonna get all greasy and weird. It's always gonna look shiny and rust proof and still look really nice. How you do it is you just unscrew the top of the metal part, and then you're gonna put a felt pad in. They come with 10, I believe. So you put your felt pad in, and they're in different colors, so that way if you want to kind of be like, all right, I use orange for my sweet orange, I use green for peppermint, or something, like whatever works in your mind. That way, if you are somebody who is sensitive to mixing smells, then you can keep them different. But sometimes it's fun to experiment and kind of do a little bit of both, in my opinion. You'll figure out what you like best. But put your felt pad in and then put 2 to 3 drops of whatever essential oil you would like. The essential oils that come with this, of course, you can use for anything. It doesn't have to just be in this diffuser. You can use it in your diffusers at home. You can use them in your skincare routine or in around your house with your cleaning products. A carrier oil like jojoba oil is going to be great for that, or just dropping this, like dropping a little bit of your essential oils like in your steam mop or clothing steamer is a great idea too, to just give yourself a little extra pop of smell. So I love this as a gift set because it's something that people can use not only as the beautiful bracelet, they can also use the essential oils in their day-to-day life for whatever they might want to use them for. This is just really cool because it's beautiful and it's functional, and it's something that's really fun that you can get creative with and really experiment. So I encourage you guys to do that and shop around on Amazon too for other essential oils that you might like better than the ones that are in this set. But these are great too. Go ahead and put this in your cart. You'll be really glad you did.